If you want to do something meaningful, you need to start with a blank slate. You have to consciously disconnect from the past, so you are no longer inhibited by prior decisions or constraints. Clearly, changes of this magnitude are never easy, but that's what it takes to create something unique and ultimately revolutionary. And that's exactly what we did. We began with a vision, and in it, there would be 3 pillars that would serve as the foundation for BST10. Everything we did came down to one thing: the user experience. We were obsessed with the notion of simplicity and how we could make things easier, how we could make things more integrated, and how we could align with the way people really work. The reality today is that most business systems were designed more than 15 years ago. They are difficult and cumbersome to use, with inconsistent user experiences, all resulting in poor user adoption. At BST Global, we knew there was a better way, and that's what we challenged our designers to create.
At the heart of BST10 are projects. So that's where we began. By focusing on the real needs of a project manager, we realized that no 2 projects are alike. But traditional business systems often force project managers into a finance and accounting box that requires a one-size-fits-all approach to managing projects, ultimately driving project managers to use external tools to manage their portfolio. What we discovered was that project managers want and need a unified project management experience that properly aligns with the size and scope of each project in their portfolio. With BST10, project managers can easily assess the health of their project portfolio, view and update project information and context, and manage scheduling and resourcing for larger projects. They can also easily handle smaller projects with simplified viewing options in the same integrated environment.
When designing BST10, we wanted to tackle one of the biggest challenges facing architecture and engineering firms. That's information delivery. Our designers set out to simplify things and deliver information to users in a more meaningful way. All information delivery channels in BST10 now share a common data layer, common business rules, and a common infrastructure. Our solution brings together multiple information sources into a single, unified, and consistent user experience. BST10 dashboards, inquiries, reporting architecture, and even the underlying transactional database are all completely integrated, giving users access to the timely information they need to make meaningful and informed decisions, just the way it should be.
One of the next key processes we looked at was billing. We know that cash is king in the architecture and engineering consultancies. That's why when it came to billing, we wanted to streamline and simplify this process in BST10. Our designers created a visual billing experience that allows the project manager to electronically edit the actual invoice and quickly route it to accounting for approval.
The next area that our designers were challenged with was to create a system that aligns with the architectural and engineering industry of today. What we increasingly saw were consultancies expanding beyond the boundaries of their home markets and into new regions throughout the world. This introduces a whole host of challenges, at the forefront of which is collaboration, currency, and language. So we asked ourselves, how could we design a software solution that actually helps global consultancies collaborate seamlessly and eliminate operational friction?
If your employees work in different countries and speak different languages, they still need to collaborate on projects together. We challenged our design team to create a single integrated business solution that allows multinational teams to seamlessly work together in their native languages. Now, you can create, maintain, and deploy up to 67 different languages in BST10. And with the BST10 multi-language editor, you have the flexibility to add even more languages based on your consultancy's needs. Whenever an employee logs into BST10, the system automatically detects and displays their preferred language, from Spanish and French to Swedish and Dutch to Mandarin and beyond.
As many firms look to expand their geographic reach, They also need the ability to better utilize their existing footprint across offices, regions, and countries. Being able to easily locate and engage the right resources across the firm is a core piece of this strategy. BST10's collaborative resource management capabilities allow project managers, resource managers, and staff to easily track and manage resource assignments across projects, studios, and offices.
Over the last decade, we have seen a significant movement towards multinational consolidation in the architectural and engineering industry. This type of global growth is fluid and broad, meaning the tools used by consultancies must accommodate a unique combination of organizational structures, currency requirements, and fiscal calendars. At BST Global, we challenged ourselves to rethink the entire multi-company and multi-currency management process and build an integrated solution that improves visibility, supports international currencies, and ensures proper financial consolidation between participating companies.
The final design challenge we faced centered on the notion of change. As we worked with our global clients, we often found they were facing many challenges and opportunities as they expanded into new markets. To capitalize on these opportunities, speed and agility were paramount. So we asked ourselves, how could we design a business system that not only adapts to, but also embraces change? A system where everything could be specifically tailored, from the user experience to business processes, to meet the unique needs of an ever-evolving consultancy. With BST10, we wanted to challenge the way business systems are traditionally designed and embrace the way people truly work. Our team of designers completely reimagined how business systems work to create a new solution that is 100% process-driven. We recognized that in a consultancy, day-to-day work is not built along business system modules or features. It's built on business processes. That is how we designed BST10. Now, you can route and deliver tasks to the appropriate team members based on their roles and conditions. The result is better engagement, communication, and understanding for the entire organization.
In BST10, we wanted to give users complete flexibility in how they leverage business information to create a personalized, yet integrated user experience that exactly aligns with the way they work. To achieve this, our team of designers focused on streamlining the entire information delivery process. By introducing personalization in BST10, we could simply and efficiently provide the right information to the right people at the right time. Now, users can decide what information they see, when they see it, and exactly how they see it. By eliminating information overload and allowing users to personalize their information delivery experience, we can help them better manage their projects, opportunities, and operations.
When we created BST10, we knew that no matter what capabilities we included, our clients' dynamically evolving businesses would eventually require the system to be changed, adapted, and modified to meet their ever-evolving demands. Change would be the constant. Our design and engineering teams came together to create BST10, a solution that is capable of adapting, evolving, and changing. A solution that enables firms to make it their own, one that can be modified and tailored to fit a firm's unique needs, from business information to workflow steps to user experience. We also had the forethought to develop a solution that is upgrade aware, meaning that any configurations a firm makes to BST10 will be preserved, even as future system upgrades from BST Global are introduced.
With BST10, we set out to create something truly unique, something different, something meaningful. Our designers challenged themselves to rethink everything about our software, everything about what's essential to a business management system. And what this ultimately led to is the creation of a solution that helps your consultancy realize its full business potential today and in the future.